Hello devoted Joico enthusiasts. Welcome back to another Joico tutorial. I am Leen and I am thrilled to bring you some exciting news. Did you know that a significant portion of salon clients may deal with various degrees of hair damage, broken hair bonds and dehydration at some point in their lives? This can range from mild damage with symptoms such as some dryness, slight frizz and minimal split ends, to extreme damage showing severe frizz, very noticeable split ends and hair breakage, to anything in between. Regular maintenance, adopting healthy hair care practices and proper treatment with the right product for the degree of damage and broken bonds can help prevent damage, dehydration and build strong bonds at various levels. Joico's reputation has been built on an innovative approach towards hair repair and damage prevention with products such as KBond and Defy Damage. Now we take it one step further by expanding our damage-defying and hair repairing product offer. Meet KBond 20, the most powerful bond builder in the Defy Damage collection, combining Joico's legacy of hair repair and damage control. This results into bond strengthening, damage prevention and optimal hydration in a single extraordinary product. Let's delve into the key ingredients that have also defined the name of this remarkable bond-building treatment. Building upon Joico's core technology, Smart Release, which is double-dosed within this product, the 20 in Defy Damage KBond 20 represents ingredients found inside, including 18 amino acids, moringa seed oil and protective lipids. Keratin protein strengthens and repairs hair bonds, while antioxidants, vitamin A and E provide protection and act as a first line of defense against pollution and dehydration. Now let's highlight some of the key benefits of KBond 20. Achieve 5 times stronger hair in just one use. Rebuild, strengthen and protect bonds. Replace lost lipids. Infuse rich hydration. Instantly detangle, soften and add shine. Normalizes pH. It's color safe and cruelty-free. It is suitable for various hair types and textures, showing a medium degree of damage and dehydration, such as frizz and mild breakage, and it delivers instant results after just one use. Using KBond 20 is a breeze. Cleanse your hair with Defy Damage Protective Shampoo. Apply KBond 20 to damp hair. Leave in for 2 to 5 minutes and rinse. Are you ready to unveil a powerhouse mask that not only hydrates hair but also builds bonds after just one treatment? Wait no longer. Start a conversation with your clients and kickstart the bond building journey now. Thank you for joining me and feel free to explore our website at joico.eu for more information on all our Joico products and more online education. See you there!